This guide will help you enable high ping settings in EAFC25 to enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access the game settings. Launch EAFC25 and navigate to the main menu. From there, go to the Settings option, usually found in the lower part of the screen. Step 2. Open Network Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the Network or Online Settings tab. This section contains options related to your internet connection and gameplay performance. Step 3. Adjust ping settings. In the Network Settings, find the option that allows you to adjust ping or latency settings. Set this to enable high ping, which may help in certain gameplay scenarios. Step 4. Save changes. After adjusting the ping settings, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the Settings menu to ensure your adjustments take effect. Step 5. Restart the game. Close EAFC25 and restart it to apply the new settings. This step ensures that the changes you made are fully integrated into your gaming session. By following these steps, you can enable high ping settings in the EAFC25. Enjoy your gaming experience.